My name is Ken from ArcBlock. So in ArcBlock, we build services, APIs to make the people to build blockchain-enabled application easy. So I guess some of you already see our OCAP playground when you walk around the booth we have. So it is completely based on the absentee Phoenix to build a nice GraphQL-enabled API layer so that one can do very complex API queries, and we support lots of different queries. We even support subscription. So like this is for Bitcoin. When a new block is mined, you will get notification. This is very nice, provided by absentee and Phoenix integration. So people wonder what's the technology backing all this. So we support a lot of APIs. You know that by building absentee schema, actor schema, you also need documentation. All those you just repeating the same thing, the same schema. You might need to define absentee. You might need to define actor. You may also end up to do the documentation, repeat the same thing again. So to make things easy, like this is the documentation that our system automatically generated. So to make things easy, we build a language called Godry. It's a DSL. It is not open source yet. It's maybe in a few months we will make it open source. Basically, we think, can we just define the same schema in one place in like a human readable file like YAML, and then apply a parser and compile it to absentee schema, actor schema, and whatever future schemas we want. So we began with this tryout, and we define some API schema like this. We try different ways, and then we end up with something like this. For example, if we want to define types for Bitcoin, we just need to describe what field we need. If we want it to be in the absentee API, what's the type? If we want it to be in database, what's its database type? And then all these definitions will be compiled to all kinds of files. So I just put the source code of those files here, just for engineers to easily understand what the code is being generated. You don't need the source code here, but we generate a lot of things by just defining the APIs and schema. You can see that this auto-generated code is around 2K lines of code. If we ask an engineer to write those code, to maintain those code, it's a lot of headache. So this is how we build our API system and how we can build things very fast in ArcBlock. So we are still actively hiring. If you are interested in us, just chat with me. And yeah, I think that's all.